Hello everyone. Today's letter is letter V. Letter V makes the sound V, like van. Let's see what other things start with letter V. Look, we have so many things. We have vase, we have violin, vest, vanilla, van, vacuum cleaner, volcano, and vegetables. Now we're going to play a game. You are going to find three letter V's in this picture. Are you ready? You have 20 seconds to find them. Ready? Go! Did you find them? Here is the first one. Here is the second one. And here is the third one. Good job! Good job, my friends. Look, you found them all. Now it's time to find the lowercase v. There are three hiding in this picture. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, did you find them? Here is the first one. Here is the second one. And here is the third one. Look! Good job, my friends. You found them all. Did you enjoy this game? Wait for me next time to learn a new letter and play more games. Bye for now.